Yes, my people, na me still be Ozo Baba. Your money is my money, my money is my money in the bank. Alright, na talk am as e be we dey today. Matter get as e be. Yes, the news don scatter ground for Kwara State. Dem say some unknown gunmen attack forest guard for Okeode area wey dey Ifelodun local government, and sadly 12 guards no survive the wahala. Yes, dem no survive the wahala. Dis kind story dey pain person heart, but we go yarn am as e be with respect to those wey don waka. Okay, the koko be say according to the tori, the forest guards dem dey on duty when the attackers show face. The guards na people wey dey protect bush, animals, and dey make sure say illegal logging no dey scatter the forest. Na dem dey keep environment safe. But see wetin happen. As the news land for social media, people for Kwara and across Niger don dey vex, dey mourn. Conservation groups dey shout say how e go be say people wey dey protect our land go dey targeted like dis. Even government for Kwara don promise say dem go investigate well and bring the people behind the attack to justice. Even police kpakpa dem no sleep o. Police and security operative don dey move for ground to track the matter. But you sef sabi Naija, many dey ask shey justice go really happen? Dis one na big reminder of the wahala wey dey face security for our country. People dey complain say why our forest no dey safe, why community defenders dey vulnerable. Some dey talk say we need more support for local security workers, but as we dey mourn, we gats still give respect to the lives wey don go. Dem be unsung heroes. Dem dey guard land, but dem no get the kind protection wey dem deserve. Na why Nigerians dey ask who dey protect the protectors. For social media, the matter dey trend. People dey pour condolence messages. Some dey share memory of the guards. Others dey call for better security and more recognition for forest protection. My people, na tough time for Kwara State o, but as Nigerians, we no get keep quiet when bad things dey happen. We go continue to demand better security, better system, and respect for those wey dey serve. We send love and strength to the families wey dey mourn, and for we listeners, make we remember say environment dey important and those wey dey protect am deserve respect. Na me still be your guy Ozo Baba from talk am as e be. If you dey watch dis, abeg drop your comment how you think say government fit stop dis kind wahala. No forget to like, share, and subscribe, because every gist wey we dey drop na straight talk as e be. Bye bye o. Ozo Baba don comot.